Hey guys, I'm Joel. Welcome back to a new video. So in this one, if you haven't seen, this is my new shop. We've been working in the last video, getting this wall trimmed down. You could see that the office used to come down to right here, but we knocked it down and renovated all that and got it all fixed up in the last video. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you go back and check it out. I did all this for the first time ever, and I go through the whole process of what it's like to do something like this for the first time. So now the next step, as you guys can tell, it's brutally lit in here. It's so yellow and it's so backroom vibes. I've been saying, especially in here, this room is horrible. It's so yellow. Ugh, it looks horrible on camera. So the lighting that I chose for this place, it's 1,200 square feet. I don't want it to be too bright because I'm very sensitive to light. So I was mainly interested in getting a light situated that was I was mainly interested in getting a lot of lights so that we can have as least shadows as possible, but I also don't want it to be so bad that my eyes hurt just chilling in here because I want it to be comfortable. I ordered these lights right here on Amazon. It's 4-foot LEDs, linkable shop lights. They were $130 for 12 of them. That is crazy. That is so cheap, but it's for a reason. I saw these and I was like, yo, I have to try these out. They're very cheap. If they suck, I'll return them. But I have to try them. They come just literally in a box. I didn't open this. They came open already, so there's that. But look at how cheap these lights are. Oh my. So here they are. Look at how it's literally just 2 LED strips with diffusers on them, and hopefully it'll be enough. They're 4,000 lumens each, so it'll be 48,000 lumens in here. I don't know if that's a lot. I don't know if that's a little bit. We'll see. First course of action, I'm gonna lay out all the LEDs on the floor so that I know exactly how spaced out they're gonna be on the roof, and then I can just stand them right up exactly where they are. These lights recommend to only link up 4 of them, but I wanna see if it's possible to do 6. If I can do 6 and 6, that'll be really easy, but I wanna try and do it on 2 circuits. I don't know if it's gonna be possible, let's see. And they're not the brightest in the world, but I feel like when they're up there,
no, they're definitely
going down, it'll look way better. I like the color a lot.
big bottles. Feel me?
The first hook I'm gonna put right here, right where my left finger is, 6 feet from the wall, and I'm gonna line them all up 6 feet from the wall. And then the right hook will land right where the light ends. There we go. I took the cover off the light, and these are the power and ground right here. Just gonna disconnect these, and hopefully I could just splice this wire from that LED straight into these with these wire nuts and call it a day. And then all the other ones will connect straight to the back of each light, just like that, and hopefully I can have 6 on 1 circuit. There we go. Hopefully that's on there properly. Now we gotta turn the breaker on and see what happens. Oh, it's on. We're good. Okay.
I'm gonna grab it.
Yeah, it's heavy as fuck because that bell is like... Oh yeah. They're gonna start pulling towards each other and look like shit because I put them too far away. Yeah. Damn it. Yeah. My God. Look above, look above. Oh, damn, it actually makes a big difference.
Oh, allow me here.
Hey, chill. Damn. I think this is a good length away from the wall because it's lit up very well. How do I look? How do I look? Do I look good? This is half of the shop with its lighting. That half is still bad. You can see the color. It's so bad. Let me turn those lights off. Damn. Yo, it looks way better when we turn that off. What? Yo, now I just want to do the other side. So for this side's lighting, I started it right here because the base starts technically right here. So I don't want to transfer it over right there because that's going to be on top of the office. So I think offsetting it to in between is going to work a lot better. It's going to put light over this workspace right there and in between. It'll also give it one more light on this side, half the distance right about there in the back. So I think that's the best course of action. Who?
He just like me.
That's my twin, for real.
For real. Yeah.
Sus ass. Letter. 0.25 is big. Like I did before, I'm just putting one to one and one to another. Nowhere does it say what's positive and what's negative, so. Alright, I gotta test it again to see if it's good. Alright, please don't explode. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let me finish. Oh my god. Oh fuck, that shit started digging in my finger.
Y'all that electrician.
Ghetto electrician.
Used to electrician right here. ImJoel electrical. Electrical, literally. Yo, Omar. Let's get it. Take this fatty, yo.
Hey, yo. Pause. Oh shit.
You did it. No, that's it.
You fuck with the slipper? The slipper's fire. Yeah.
Fire, bro.
Facts. The hash. I mean, I don't know. Glorious.
Oh, I turned this rod upside down.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. There we go. Thank you. Here we go. Yep. There we go. Let's go! Look how much room there is on the lift now. No lights in the way. This is so good.
Yo, what? Can I get the OnlyFans link, bro?
No, okay.
Try not to fall off a ladder, my guy.
Bro, because when y'all don't have teeth, y'all don't have teeth.
So what happened to my hands?
I'm not touching mine.
You did. This cheap ass lighting is actually coming out.
This thing, stop playing when you.
You acting crazy.
Lower chucks. You know them niggas ain't drinking nothing. Look, how does ice cream frog like?
So there we have it. All the lights are up. Hopefully now I can just turn the breaker on and all of the lights will turn on. All right, here we go. Is it the wrong one? It was the wrong one. Damn. Damn, it's a huge difference. What?
Sure.
Yo, this is so good. What? Oh my God. Yeah, a few, I think two more. One right there, maybe even one back over here to replace this last actual light bulb, but Damn, look at it now, what? That looks so good. So you can tell they're offset, but I think it looks so good. They're kind of pulling on each other, like one's pulling this way, one's pulling this way because of the wire. But from down here, that is not anything noticeable. It looks so good. Now the walls are so noticeably pink and ugly. So walls next, and this place is gonna look so sick. I was gonna do the paint before the LEDs, but then my boy Dylan sent me a picture of my last video on a TV and it was so yellow and ugly. I was like, nah, I need to fix the lighting right away because it's unbearable to watch. I started scraping the wall right here with this brush and just getting all the flakiness off. It looks a lot better now. It still has a little flake. I wanna get most of that off so that the paint that we put over it doesn't flake off as well.
Got that shit at a garage sale for like $1.50 or something. He was doing a garage sale, bro. I was like, oh, this shit is crazy.
Like,
50 cents, buddy.
That's it?
He had a whole basket of things. I took a handful.
Pull it and I'll pull it. All ready for paint on this one wall. Now we're gonna replicate this all around the whole shop. Holy shit. The Home Depot guy called this the contractor special. So we got it. It's semi-gloss and we're gonna see if it works right here on the worst spot of the whole shop. The rest of the shop is kind of even, one color, but here is very rough. So if it can cover this, we're gonna be good everywhere else. Man, that shit ain't gonna last just a year. He's capping.
Right? I don't know what fucking paint lasts a year, bro. But this pink paint probably been on for 50 years.
You think that long?
At least 10, bro.
He said 12 months. He didn't even say 1 year. He said 12 months. End of day 2, I'm filthy. I was here alone today, so I was just doing the brush work. One big thing was in between all the bricks, it was a little bit of pink everywhere, so I'm just going in and filling all the gaps with the brush because it was looking so patchy in between all of them. So if I could do it again, I would definitely use an airless sprayer. I am definitely taking the time to mask everything off and just using an airless sprayer and just spraying everything. It would have taken so much less time. I did not think this was gonna take 2 days, 3 days. I feel like an asshole because I've been doing so much brush work thinking that it was necessary to get between all the cracks. And those of you that know, definitely were screaming at me, saying, use the roller, use the roller. This wall is almost done. It's still a little patchy up there, so with the roller, just need to come in and finish all that up. But I ended up saying, let me take the roller off the stick because you're wasting so much energy with the stick. So I just used the roller and I got this wall done right here in literally 10 minutes. So if I would have just been using this off rip, I would have had this shop painted in a day. Literally, with 2 people using a roller, this shop would have been done so quickly. I want to bash my head into a wall because I've been using that brush for so damn long. This is my 3rd day now painting. Using that brush, hand cramping. We only have 1 paint roller though, and 1 tray, so that's why I don't know. One of us were using it, one of us was using the brush. I should have gotten 2. That back wall looks so good. Oh my God. That's the final look right there. Yeah, I need more paint. All out. Me and Omar are honing in like sharks right now. We got the whole shop white on this side and white above this. I just need to do some brush work up there, paint this wall and paint this wall, and that is it. Up there is good. It's crazy how different this place looks than when we moved in. It was so ugly. This is the last light. This light is really different color than these. We're gonna be all set. Let's get to work. Let's finish. There we have it. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. The light is that corner. I think literally just that and the trim and everything. Oh, a little bit up there. After 4 fucking days, we made it finally. It's still patchy as hell up there. Damn it. And there we have it. After 4 excruciating days. Granted, they were excruciating because I'm an idiot and I was using a brush for the first 2 when I should have just been using a roller all along. This would have been done so long ago. But that's the past. I hope you guys learned from me. Don't do what I did. Use a roller. And we look good now. We look very good. I cleaned my little space up right here. We look amazing. It's looking so bright in here. The light color these LEDs give out is so good. And I was walking around looking at myself and there's like no shadows anywhere. I can look everywhere and we look good everywhere. I'm excited. I'm guessing tomorrow the E30 is gonna come and get parked right here and the teardown is gonna start. So make sure you stay tuned because this video series is coming up next.